Congratulations on becoming a father. At Dad's Uni, we believe that every man has the potential within them to become a wonderful father to his children. Dad's Uni aims to provide practical biblical training to help young men in growing their families God's way. We hope you find these simple teachings to be both encouraging and informative. Remember, if you enjoy our teachings, please subscribe and like our podcasts, and share them with someone else who also might benefit. Don't forget to check out our free ebooks and blogs on our dadsuni.com website. God bless. John Nolan. Dad's Uni.
Tip 20. Identifying your child's area of gifting.
I firmly believe that when we are placed in this world, we arrive with both a mission in life and gifting or abilities to achieve that mission. For many, these gifts or abilities are natural areas that we may excel in, or areas that we show great potential in, beyond the norm. I also believe that finding your area of gifting often plays a large part in ultimately finding fulfillment in life. Considering this, it is important that we as fathers be on the lookout for areas of gifting in our child's life. If we can identify these abilities early in life, we can begin to encourage the child and open opportunities for them to grow in their area of gifting. Identifying your child's area of gifting can be as easy as realizing that your son likes to pull things apart and try to put them back together again, or finding them constantly expressing interest in all the bugs they find in the yard. It could be a desire to help do the cooking in the kitchen from an early age, or being a standout player in an area of sport. It could be your daughter showing an interest in making clothes for dollies, or constantly spending time doing her friend's hair. All these situations can be clues along the way to finding their area of gifting. I think that as a father, one of my greatest desires is to see my children live a happy and fulfilled life. It is a sad but true reality that many people go through life hating their job, but never realize that there may be a viable alternative. I think that if we as fathers can help our children to find their own area of gifting, or even to encourage them to keep looking for it until they do, we will be helping them move a long way toward finding fulfillment in life. Now, it is also important to realize that many people do not even identify their area of gifting until later in life, so we should not put any pressure on our children to find it. These things seem to work themselves out in the right season of life for each person, but if we can encourage our children that they have a gift, they will stay focused until they find it.
Suggested action.
Keep a lookout for signs of giftedness in your children, and encourage them, and open up opportunities for them to pursue it.
Scripture references.
Proverbs chapter 18 verse 16. A man's gift makes room for him and brings him before great men.
A father's testimony.
Fatherhood isn't always a planned thing, but when it happens, you just do it. It's very natural, and in that sense, it's not really difficult. Kelly Slater. Surfer.